Alrighty,
Hi guys,
it's review day.
Yeah.
It's not so much a review as it is. We found an awesome product,
and
we're
want to
here.
tell you about it.
We're here to share it with you guys, and we feel like it wouldn't be fair because we shared it on Instagram, and it wouldn't be fair to not share it with our YouTube fam. We don't know if you guys follow us on Instagram. Plug right
You
there.
should be following
at
us.
ModaMob official, because we do mini reviews on there all the time. So okay. We're gonna be talking about the LA Girl Pro Matte HD High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation.
Is it amazing?
It's like beyond amazing, and we're gonna tell you why.
Why?
First giveaway.
Oh my god, what's the giveaway?
Don't jump ahead. It's, you know, when you have foundation, you need a blender, a foundation blender. So we're gonna be giving away a foundation blender at the end of this video.
Stay tuned. All right, let's review this.
All right, first comes first. The LA Girl brand in general, it makes amazing products.
No, like really amazing products.
And what I love about it is like everyone gives like drugstore foundations or drugstore makeup such a bad rep. LA Girl's stuff is literally like Giorgio Armani status, but with like elf prices, basically.
The prices cannot be beat, and it's not one of those you get what you pay for. No, you actually get a lot for what you're paying for.
A really good product.
Yes.
I use their concealers, and they're amazing. I use their color correctors. They're amazing, and I have not found one that I love as much as I love the LA Girl one. And now this is my gem, this foundation. I have La Mer's foundation. I have Giorgio Armani's foundation. I have Fenty's foundation. I have like so many foundations. You guys know I have like no loyalty to foundations. This one is my newest obsession. It's $10, you guys.
So
$10.
inexpensive. And what I love about it is that it's HD and it's long wear and it's matte.
So it's funny because over the weekend I was wearing it and I ran into my sister-in-law and she's just staring at me, like really like just staring at me, right? I'm like, okay, like I'm standing here and I could tell she's looking. I look back at her and she's like, what have you done with your face? Like, what foundation are you wearing? It looks like you literally just airbrushed it, like sprayed it, like it just like literally like blurs everything.
It's so good, you guys. We're gonna show you.
Yeah, we're gonna apply it and show you guys what it looks like on. All right, we're gonna start applying our LA Girl foundation. I'm gonna be using the specific brush that it comes with, LA Girl in 108, and Ani is gonna be using a beauty blender. This is the first time I'm using a foundation that I don't need to use a beauty blender afterwards.
What?
How crazy is that? Because the brush is that good too.
What I like about the foundation too is that it gives you like a powdery aftermath. Oh my god, do you remember being younger and just using MAC powder on our face?
Yeah, Studio Fix. What was it? NC30. Everyone used the same color for some strange reason. You used to go to MAC and they used to be like, oh, you're NC30. You're like, how good is it?
So good.
So obsessed with it. All right, we're gonna apply the rest of our makeup and show you guys the final look now.
Yeah.
I freaking love this product.
No, it looks amazing, and for the price, you cannot beat it.
$10. If you don't like it, stop using it.
Yeah.
It's that easy, you guys. Anyway, so for the giveaway, it's the foundation blender. Ani used the foundation with a blender, so it totally works. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. You like this video, and make sure to leave comments suggesting new videos. That's where we go and find our new videos.
We'll see you guys
next time.